Out. Ready. Vamos a moverlo.
Now, like when my son went, you know, you got, like I told you, you gonna get the weight class.
Pégate, pégate.
Keep your hands up, Sean. Don't look at us.
Dale, pégate. Pégate. Ahí. Ahí, vamos a mover nada más. Vamos.
There you go. Where you jab, Sean.
Nada
Where you
más.
jab.
Dale.
Where you jab, Sean. You jab.
Pégate ahí, muévelo, muévete. Muévete nada más. No te pegues, no te pegues. Vamos.
No, actually, when you get somebody,
Dale.
they when you do the braid,
No, Sean. Come on. Move your head. Move your head.
now I need all you guys watch yourself.
Keep your hands up.
Practice this.
There we go. Come on. Keep your hands up. Put your hands back to your face quick, Sean. Come on.
Oh, muévete. Solo ahí, eso. Eso es lo que quiero. Va.
Atención,
Throw jabs at
atención.
him. I want you to throw
Atención.
jabs at him. Throw some jabs at him. Put your hands up, Sean.
Guys, all right?
No hay nada todavía.
All right, guys, do your certified. Come on, do
Don't look at nobody else, Sean.
Keep your eyes on him, Sean, not us.
Oh, pégatele, pégatele. Oh,
All right, Sean,
dale.
come on. Come on, jab, jab,
Ahí,
come
no
on.
va a tirar. No va a tirar. Que no va a tirar.
Hands up, Sean. Get your left hand up.
Use your right too, babe.
Ahí, párate ahí, párate frente de él. Ahí, párate frente de él. Ahí, véalo. Vamos. Dale. Frente de él. Vamos.
Go ahead, Sean, go at him, come on. Jab, jab.
¿Viste? Eso, búscalo. Dale, que él te tire.
Throw your jab,
Ahí.
Sean, come on.
Dale. Dale, búscalo, búscalo.
You have to keep that hand up quick, Sean. Don't look at me. Keep watching him. Keep moving that head too.
Vamos, búscalo.
Come
Búscalo.
on, 30 seconds.
Mueve cabeza.
Come on. Put your hands up, Sean.
Ahí, ya está ahí, ya está ahí. 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 Muévelo, muévelo, voltealo. Ahí.
There we go.
¿Viste? Dale.
Good work, Juanchito. Good work. Come on, Sean.
No hay nada, vamos. Todavía no hay nada.
Come on, Sean.
Tranquilo. Vamos.
Put your hands up. Get that left hand up, Sean.
Don't let him intimidate you, babe, with all the jumping.
Oh.
Good work.
Good
Give him
job.
a tap.
Hey, give him a tap. You gotta give him a tap.
¿Ya número, Fernando?